today's episode, we will be doing a couple of asanas which will help in type 2 diabetes. Any amount of twistings, especially towards the kidneys, helps in reducing the diabetes, but also there's a lot of work to be done with the food. So let's go ahead and watch the episode. So the first asana that we'll be starting for people with diabetes, the first one is called Chair Marichasana. So we stand with our feet parallel, raise your right leg up on the chair. Now make sure that your standing leg, the little toe and the outer heel are in one line. So the heel shouldn't be going in or going out too much. The feet have to be parallel. Take your left hand, place it underneath your quadricep, underneath your right quadricep, right hand on your waist and go for twisting. Make sure that your chin is in the center of your chest and your elbows are taken away from you. So both the shoulders and one straight line. We hold this for about 30 seconds, for about half a minute. To add a variation to this, we can lift our heel up and take our right palm to the right side. Stretching your fingers. And then slowly bringing it down. Repeat the same on the other side. The next asana is called Navasana, for which we come into sitting position. Keep your legs straight. Separate the skin underneath your buttocks. You can take a belt or a rope, or even if you can hold your feet, you can do it without the belt as well. Pressing your thighs down, lifting your toes up, bend both knees slightly and then raise your leg up. Work from the lower back. Move your diaphragm chest forward. And hold for about half a minute. Then slowly bring your legs down, sit straight and release. The next asana which we'll be doing today is called Parivritta Trikonasana, which is really good in helping type 2 diabetes, and even if you have lower back pain, you can still do this asana. So stand in Tadasana, roll your shoulders back, keep both hands on your waist and turn to the left side. Step your right foot forward and left leg back. So your right toes are pointing towards the side wall and the left foot is turned in to 60 degrees. Now lengthen your left arm up, extend it forward and slowly bring it down towards the brick. Pressing the brick, roll your right shoulder up the back. The left foot is pressing into the floor. The inner ankles, the inner heels, the arch of the foot. So keep turning your chest further and further. Inhale further and further. Exhale further and further. And then raise your hand up. Make sure that your hips are square. You're pulling along your kneecaps. Pressing both your feet on the floor. You can hold this asana for about a minute. Repeat the same on the other side. To come back, keep your right hand on the waist and slowly come back. Bring your feet together and stand in Tadasana. So these were a couple of asanas which a person could practice while having diabetes. Keep watching more episodes on MDill for further information and more asanas. Thank you.